Welcome to our YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Simlipal Biosphere Reserve is located in which state? Your right answer is Odisha. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following dimension is used for classification of lifter? Your right answer is body weight. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following connect the coastal area of Srinagar to the north-south corridor of Kashmir? Your right answer is Kanyakumari. Option B is your correct answer. How many basic duties are mentioned in the Indian Constitution? Your right answer is 11. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is called the number of oscillations per second? Your right answer is frequency. Option C is your correct answer. Which year did General Agreement on Tariff and Trade come into begin? Your right answer is 1948. Option C is your correct answer. Which gas is emitted when reacting with metal sodium hydroxide? Your right answer is hydrogen. Option D is your correct answer. The idea of Constitution of India Constituent Assembly was first presented by whom? Your right answer is Manavendra Nath Roy. Option C is your correct answer. In 2018, India's famous player PT Usha was made the national supervisor of which game? Your right answer is athletics. Option D is your correct answer. In 1879, which British government signed the Treaty of Gandham with the ruler of which country? Your right answer is Afghanistan. Option A is your correct answer. The letter was derived by William Jones. Your right answer is Asiatic Research. Option B is your correct answer. Gateway of India was built in which of these architectural style in Mumbai? Your right answer is Indo-Arabic. Option C is your correct answer. Who was the chairman of Delimitations Commission constituted for the partition of Bengal and Punjab? Your right answer is Cyril Redcliffe. Option B is your correct answer. What is typically called a species of plants and animals found in a certain place? Your right answer is local species. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following metal lies in the liquid state at the orbital temperature? Your right answer is mercury. Option D is your correct answer. Who has been described in the 11th part of the Indian Constitution? Your right answer is relationship between center and state. Option D is your correct answer. For which of the following sports did Devendra Jangaria win gold medal in Rio Paralympic? Your right answer is javelin throw. Option D is your correct answer. According to the 2011 census, what is the male literacy rate in India? Your right answer is 82.14%. Option C is your correct answer. In Hindu temples, there is a small room in which their chief deities are established. Your right answer is Garbha Griha. Option B is your correct answer. Where is the only airport in Lakshadweep? Your right answer is Augusta. Option D is your correct answer. Which is the only state of India's own separate constitution? Your right answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Option D is your correct answer. The Hoover Dam is built on which river? Your right answer is Colorado River. Option D is your correct answer. In 1924, where was the Convention of Indian National Congress organized? Which gang over? Your right answer is Belgaum. Option D is your correct answer. In which of the following ocean the complete disorganizations of the direction of the stream can be seen? Your right answer is Indian Ocean. Option C is your correct answer. For the person living in urban area, there is a minimum calorie required. Your right answer is 2100 calorie. Option D is your correct answer. Disease causing microorganism. Your right answer is pathogen. Option B is your correct answer. What type of rainfall is common in the equatorial region? Your right answer is vascular rainfall. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following river goes to the Arabian Sea? Your right answer is Tapti. Option B is your correct answer. Ranji Trophy named after Rajkumar Ranjit Singh is related to which of the following sports? Your right answer is cricket. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following sports or events require a ball to play? Your right answer is table tennis. Option C is your correct answer. Who is appointed by the Chief Minister of the Union Territory of Delhi? Your right answer is President of India. Option C is your correct answer. How does the calorific value of fuel be expressed? Your right answer is kilojoules per kilogram. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following state does not have a provision in the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Your right answer is Sikkim. Option C is your correct answer. स्वर्ण जयंती ग्राम स्वर योजगार योजना SGSY स्वर्ण जयंती ग्राम स्वरोजगार योजना was recognized in what form? Your right answer is National Rural Livelihood Mission NRLM. National Rural Livelihood Mission. Option D is your correct answer. What is known as Village and Cottage Industry Committee? Your right answer is Karve Committee. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is related to the suspension of the sports post of the Indian Constitution? Your right answer is Article 18. Option B is your correct answer. The period of the second 5-year plan in India was, your right answer is 1956 to 1961. Option C is your correct answer. What is the group of fragmented organism with bilateral symmetry? Your right answer is Arthropoda. Option C is your correct answer. When did Battle of Plassey happen? Your right answer is 1757. Option A is your correct answer. The Indian Constitution has the tendency of the principles of the policy of the. Your right answer is non-judicial. Option D is your correct answer. Who was the president of the Indian National Congress Convention in 1906? Your right answer is Dadabhai Naroji. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following relates to the round revolution? Your right answer is potatoes. Option B is your correct answer. Two hands snatch. Which of the following sports related to the tournament is related? Your right answer is weightlifting. Option A is your correct answer. Oceanic ocean. Steam is the steam flowing in which ocean? Your right answer is Pacific Ocean. Option D is your correct answer. The famous embroidery is basically in which state? Your right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following rulers made Jama Masjid in Delhi? Your right answer is Shah Jahan. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following ministry is responsible for the appointment of the lieutenant and administrator in the Union Territories? Your right answer is Home Ministry. Option B is your correct answer. What is called reflection from the plane surface similar to a mirror? Your right answer is regular reflection. Option B is your correct answer. What is the frictional force induced by the fluid and what is called? Your right answer is drag. Option C is your correct answer. This is your last question of today class, question of 50. For which of the following region, Union Territory, Puducherry was built? Your right answer is cultural specification. Option C is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Joy Bharat, Joy Hind.